Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, backup camera, OnStar Communication System, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, side airbag system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.